So now what I have, I've removed from the dress form. I want to make sure that my waist seam is the same on both sides. So I have I have a little bit of a French dart here. So I'm going to mark here and show you how when you have these side darts, they need to be the same on both sides as well. So I'm going to come over from center front and get the same shape on both sides. And the armhole at the beginning is going to be the same, and then it will change. Okay, so thank you. And so this line here will go to that armhole. I have my notches here for the tucks that we did. Get a French curve and clean that up. And then, again, of course, the notches are gonna have to be the same on both sides, right? So these are the same. Punch holes probably about here somewhere, okay, equal distance. Then after the dart is closed here on the side seam, you want to make sure that your side seams are the same. That was one thing I found a lot of error in the patterns that I just graded for the cowls, that these side seams were not matching up. So you guys, when you put it back together, you got the cowl part right and the text right, but maybe you didn't check on the side seams. So you fold your dart in, get your side seams to match the same to both sides. And then this pattern piece here, this is the back. Again, depending on how you're finishing it, if you were doing a facing, you can make your facing piece probably something like this. I might even do a one-piece facing to keep it clean, or a lining. And then the same on the other part. So on the back, as we did on the front, you're gonna bring your side seams together symmetrically on the bottom part, but asymmetrically on the top. Okay. Did anyone have the time to review the collars that we did last week? That would be good to review before the final two, because I think I'm gonna do something with the collar and something with asymmetry. So just kind of refresh yourself. And it'll be open book, or well, open notes, I guess. I don't think you really need the book that day, because we're gonna be doing something that I just make up a sketch for you guys. All right, so what do I need to mark this as? Back bodice, RSU 8 cut 1, right? And your initials. And then this is front bodice. And oftentimes in manual patterns, they'll do this in red just to make sure it shows up. And depending on your computer program, it can be something different, but the importance is that it be cut 1 open on right side up with a fabric to get that look. Okay, and then clean it up, and there's your pattern. All right, so just keep that in mind when you do the final. All right, so we'll have this to read.